anything happens to me, it's on your head.
Trust me, we're perfectly safe.
Jake! Oh no! 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 Just another one! Please, I beg you. Please don't eat me.
End of the line for you.
I'm dead! Oh! Hi.
Hello.
Is this Turkey Paradise?
Nothing here.
Oh, we lost them again, Captain Standish.
I can see that. Now keep looking.
Yes, sir.
They're here. Oh, I can feel it.
Hello, turkeys of ye oldie time. We've come from the future in a time machine named Steve to save you.
Quiet. We were leading the hunters away from our nest till you came along, shrieking like terrified hens. Who are you?
Yeah, you tell him, Ranger. Right, Burley? Woo! Don't leave me hanging, Ranger. Burley's right there. He looks up to me.
The hunters are returning. We need to move. I have the lead. Everyone, follow me.
He has the lead.
Stay in formation.
In formation, stay.
This is really dangerous.
Hold on.
Oh boy. Wow, this is a fast pace today. I love it though.
We should catch up with the others.
Wait! Just 8, that's the only thing holding me back. How you doing?